Managing too much of work on your own can lead to complete burnout. Similar is the case of AI agents. Overloading a single AI agent with many tasks can lead to errors, inefficiency, and what known as AI hallucination. Here enters multi-agent system or MAS, where multiple specialized AI agents collaborate to achieve a common goal. Today we will explore this technology through the lens of a restaurant reservation system. Using VAPI Squad feature and automation tool like Make.com, we will demonstrate how to create multi-agent system that handles call, reservation, and customer interaction seamlessly. Stick around for a live demo and a detailed step-by-step workflow. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Tom. Thanks for calling Bloom Table. How can I help you?
I want to make a reservation.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Babu,
Thank you, Babu. What date and time would you like to reserve?
tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Let me see. I've got that for tomorrow at 7 p.m. How many people will be joining you, Babu?
3.
Perfect. Any special requests for your reservation, Babu?
No, nothing.
Got it. Your reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m. for 3 people is all set. Looking forward to seeing you at Bloom Table. Would you like to place your order now over the call or when you arrive at the restaurant?
Okay, I will place the order now.
I will transfer the call to the waitress. She will assist you in making the order.
Hello, I'm Tessa, your virtual waiter. How can I assist you today?
I would like to place the order for my dinner tomorrow.
Great choice. For dinner, we have options like grilled salmon with asparagus, filet mignon with garlic butter, Bloom's vegetarian lasagna, and more. Let me know if you'd like details on any specific dish.
Okay, what about for drink?
For drinks during dinner, we have a selection of wine, red or white, available by the glass. Let me know if you need more details on any specific drink.
Okay, go with salmon and red wine.
One moment. The total cost comes to $27.98 for the grilled salmon and red wine.
Okay,
Does that sound good to you?
yes, that's fine.
One moment. Your order has been placed successfully. We'll have it ready for you. Thank you for choosing Bloom Table.
Yeah, I would like to speak to your manager.
I will transfer the call to the manager.
Hi, I am Martin, your virtual manager for Bloom Table.
Okay, I have reserved a table for tomorrow at your restaurant with my friends. So, it's my friend's birthday tomorrow. Could you make something special for her?
This will just take a sec. Thank you for sharing that with us. We'd be delighted to prepare something special for your friend. We'll make sure a personalized note is on your table. And if there's anything else you'd like, just let us know.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. This is the Google Sheet that got updated during the call. It contains all the information about the caller and the reservation details like the count, the reservation date and time, and the order details. If customer requests for any customization in the order, it will be written here. And the manager note contains the feedback, any complaints, or any special requests from the customer. And the Google Calendar, here we got the appointment booked. This is the architecture of our multi-agent system. We have 3 agents. The agent 1 or the host agent will handle the call and gather all the information required to make the reservation, like customer name, preferred date and time, and the party size. And the second agent, which is the waitress, this agent will handle the food order, and also will handle the inquiries about the menu using a knowledge base. And the third one is a manager, which handles the customer escalation or any feedback, or if they have any special requirements, it will handle by the manager. So both this agent 1, agent 2 and 3 can interchange the call, and the host agent will transfer the call to this agents only if the customer asks for them. And all these 3 agents are sharing a common CRM for the seamless transfer of the data. And this is the beauty of this multi-agent system. So each agent have a defined task, and they all work together to form an effective system. To set up the system, first we need to create Squad in VAPI. So consider Squad as a dynamic team of AI agents. So either we can create the squad in the VAPI interface, or we can also create using a JSON for cases where we need to transfer the customer information among the agents. So we can use a JSON at that time. Inside our restaurant system, we have created 3 agents: Tom, Tessa, and Martin. So Tom is the host agent, which will receive the call and also deals with the reservation. So we have given the prompt to Tom that it should collect the reservation details like the preferred date and time and the party size, all such details. So it will call a tool get reservation. So this is the tool get reservation. So inside this, we have interpreted this to a scenario in Make for making the reservation. And coming back to VAPI, inside Tom, we have given the instruction also like if the customer wants to transfer the call to Tessa, like the customer want to make the order in the call, it will transfer the call to Tessa. Or if the customer want to talk to the manager for giving feedback or stating some complaint, anything, it will transfer the call to Martin. So inside Tessa, Tessa is the waitress agent. So it have a knowledge base of what the menu is, like what all dishes it have for dinner, breakfast, and for lunch, and also the pricing and all. So this will deal with all the ordering, like what the customer needs. So with that knowledge base. So if you don't know how to add the knowledge base, you can refer my previous video on knowledge base. I'll provide the link here. And the Martin, who is the manager, so he will deal with all the complaints or any feedback, anything. So we have given the prompt for that. So in Tessa, we are also calling a function, no, a tool to handle the deal, the order. So here's the tools. Inside that, get order is the tool which is called by Tessa. So by that, it can make the order updated in the CRM. And for the manager, we are updating the CRM by taking its summary. So inside Martin, in the advanced section, we have given the URL for the updation, and we are getting the analysis. From the analysis, we are getting the summary of this call with Martin. So that's the manager updation section. So each agent is updating the tools, the CRM separately by their own, so that we will get all the information about the customer in a single row. After defining all the features of the assistant, like its prompt, all other components like transcriber, voice, and all, we can go and create the squad. So inside squad section, I have already created the squad. I will show you how to create it. Click on new squad and add the first member. So we are adding Tom as the first member. Create squad. A new squad is created, and by clicking here, we can add other members: Martin, Tessa, and after that, we need to connect each of these agents. So to connect, yes, like this, we can connect each of these members, and to Tessa. Like that, we can connect all the members, and I have already created one. I will delete the current one now. This is the one I'm using now. So Tom is connected to both Tessa and Martin, and both this Martin and Tessa are also connected with each other. So we are using this squad. After setting up all the assistant and the squad, we are moving to the scenarios in Make. So this is a scenario which is called by the host agent Tom. So Tom will gather all the information for reservation like preferred date and time, count, all those things, and transfer that to the webhook. So this webhook will receive it and it will transfer to the next module, Grok. Grok is something similar to ChatGPT. So this will convert or transfer the information to the required format. That is, it will transfer the data from the webhook, that is the preferred data time, to the ISO 8601 format if required. And from there, it is transferring to a Google Calendar. We are getting get free BC information here. So we are checking whether the preferred date by the customer is available. So that for that we are given the uh, minimum time as the preferred time given by the customer, and the maximum time we are setting it as 1 hour from then. So add hours, the time preferred by the customer, and we are adding 1 and okay. So from here we are putting a router which will transfer the information, like it will lead the information either to the available or the not available section. Preferred time by the customer is available, it will take this part, and inside the Google Sheet we will book a calendar with the event name. We are giving it as customer name itself, and the date and time preferred by the customer, and duration we are setting it as 1 hour. And from there we are giving a response back to the VAPI saying that the appointment is booked for the particular date and time, and also we are updating a CRM. So cases like the preferred date and time is not available, that it's already booked, then we are taking this path. So here we have to find the available slots which are closer to the preferred date and time of the customer. So for that we need to get the whole day information. So first we are getting the in starting time of the day. That means format date, we are getting the preferred date and time here, and we are setting it as the 8 o'clock, like the restaurant starts at 8 o'clock, and click OK. And we are checking from 8 o'clock in the Google Calendar. We are setting it to start time to add hours, like we are ending the restaurant, we are closing the restaurant at 10 p.m. So we are giving 14 hours from start time to 14 hours. We are checking for the availability. So it will return all the busy slots during this day. That means from 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. And from there we are transferring this busy slot to a JSON to make it a JSON. So we are adding it as an object, all the busy slots, and from there we are again adding a grok to convert that into a EST time, so that the customer can understand the like we are giving customer some availability slot or the options for booking. So we need to convert the UTC time to a time which is understandable, which is accepted by the customer. So again from here again we are giving to a grok. Inside this grok we are given the instruction to create 3 alternative time slots for the customer that is close to the one which is given by the customer. So we have given all the prompt for that. And next is again a grok. This grok we are giving a conversation which need to be given to, or which should be said to the customer. So we are explaining all this. Unfortunately we are choosing time slot is booked. So however we are giving all this time slot as a option to the customer, and click OK. Then our webhook response webhook to VAPI. So VAPI here it will send the message from the grok. Okay, so that is our reservation system. And get order. This scenario is called by Tessa, which is our waitress agent. So Tessa is comparing the data with the phone number. So by checking if the phone number already in the Google Sheet is the customer phone number, then it will update the CRM with the order given by the customer. So here we are giving the order, and also if any notes, like the customer wish to make it gluten free, or if they want sugar free, we can make it as an extra note inside the order. So we are mapping all this information. And similarly is the case of manager. So from the manager we will getting the summary of the call, that means only the manager part. So here also we are comparing with the phone number of the customer, and after checking this condition it satisfies means we are updating the Google Sheet with the customer feedback or complaint, anything, manager notes. Okay, that is the same system. All the VAPI and the make is ready. As we have seen, multi-agent systems are more than just a tech upgrade. They are transformative force for many businesses. From busy restaurant to healthcare clinic, This system streamlines their operation and enhances customer experience like never before. If your system requires dynamic data that transfer data among the agents, consider creating one using JSON of the squad in their automation platform, similar to creating an assistant with customer data which I have covered in previous video. I will provide the link. So if you are managing various departments in your organization, mass is key for scaling your efficiency. Hope this was helpful for you. Let's shape the future together.